The Visit Summary screen displays the audited encounters for a selected office or offices. To access the Visit Summary screen, click on the Visits menu at the top of the screen, then click on Visit Summaries. You may sort between using no filters, one filter, or multiple filters at the same time. The information displayed on this screen can be sorted in multiple ways to make your reports as specific as you desire. The first thing that you will want to do is to select the office or offices that you wish to have displayed. To switch between one office or another, click on the office name and the audits from that office will appear. To select a contiguous group of offices, select the first office, hold down the Shift key, and then select the last office. All other offices in between will be selected. To select a non-contiguous group of offices, select your first office and then hold down the Control key. After this is done, you may select any other offices that you desire. When you select a visit, the note macros associated with that encounter are displayed in the white box at the bottom of the screen. To delete a visit, select the visit or visits you wish to delete. Right-click anywhere in the grid and then click on Delete Visits. Or you can simply press Delete. Intelicode will prompt you to verify that you want to delete this visit or visits. Click Yes or No as appropriate. To send a visit or visits to another office, select the visit or visits you wish to send. To select contiguous visits, select the first visit and then hold down the Shift key. Finally, select the last visit, and all other visits in between will be selected. Right-click anywhere on the screen and select Send Visits to another office. Choose the office you want to send the visits to, and then click OK. Intelicode will prompt you if you would like to send only the selected visits. Click Yes or No as appropriate. To edit a visit, select the visit and then click Edit Visit. The patient screen will open and make changes as appropriate. Make sure to end at the Finish screen and then click Save on the confirmation screen. To print a report, select the visit or visits and then click Print Selected. The Print Options window will pop up whereby you can print, preview, send to Word, send to Excel, send to PDF, or you may email your report to another colleague. In the Visit Summary screen, you are able to customize the columns in this view to see only the information that is important to you at this time. This view will not affect your report layouts in any way. Right-click anywhere on the screen and then click on Select Grid Columns. You will be given a list of fields with checkboxes by each field. Check or uncheck fields accordingly by clicking on the checkbox next to the field name or on the field name itself. Click OK when the desired column names are checked. Click Cancel to avoid any changes to these columns. After this is done, you will only see the information that you have chosen to display. To change the order in which the columns appear, click on the column heading and then hold down the mouse button. Simply drag the box to the desired position for your report. To reset the columns to the default order, right-click anywhere in the grid and select Reset Grid to Default. Now, let's look over the information at the bottom of the screen. This area documents total visits, number of accurately coded, undercoded, or overcoded visits, visits with the wrong category, procedure accuracy, diagnosis accuracy, and the total amount billed. It also notes any financial errors, under or overbilled visit amounts, and also any non-compliant teaching physician services. It also provides provider RVU, user RVU amounts, and a total point value for the offices selected. Now, let's turn our attention to the filters. You can further filter your results using the fields on the left. You can filter by the audit date or the visit date. Check the appropriate bullet and then use the calendar drop-down to select that date. You can also type in the date if that is easier. You can filter by status so that you can see only the new or established patient audits. Filtering by variance will only show audits where there was a certain variance between the provider code and the auditor code. Only want to see the audits with a certain billed E&M code? Choose the desired E&M code from the drop-down list, and Intelicode will show only those audits. You can further filter your results by provider, specialty or subspecialty, service category or subcategory, note macros, or those audits completed by a certain reviewer or auditor. To view all audits, you can select Clear All Filters to show all records in that particular office. Once your filters and column settings are to your liking, you are now ready to print your report.